Well, first up for a map this morning is this silver EP3 Civic. I'm going to go find out what mods it's got on it, and then we're going to tell you. Let's get tuned in. Okay, so it's got a Dynodaze induction kit. It's got a stock manifold with either a D-cat or a sports cat. It's not actually written down, but it looks like one of those Toyo Sport ones. And then it's got a Scorpion 2¼ inch.
I think it's 2.5.
Is it 2.5?
The Scorpion 2.5.
2.5 catback exhaust system. So it's on a K Pro. So here we go. You ready, Jensen?
I'm ready.
He's ready. I'm ready. Rich is ready. Let's go. Okay, so stock run on the stock ECU before Richard puts the K Pro in, and it's made 209 brake horsepower. So not a bad start for the mods that it's got. So let's see if we can improve upon that. Richard?
Well, you know, you're looking at the screen.
But
You know, you're looking at the screen.
well, I think we're doing really, really well. But I'm trying to involve you in the video because you're the favourite.
What are we in now? What power are we on?
221 brake horsepower.
Yeah, that's sort of where I expect it to be, really.
Yeah.
Want to through some cam timing?
Yeah. Okay. Let's do that. All right. Okay. I'll go get over there.
Yeah, come on, get on with it.
All right, mate. Let's get on with it. Yeah.
Get on with it.
Yeah.
Let's get on with it.
All right. This is not an anti-gravity hover car. This is a Honda Civic EP3 TypeR, and we've tuned it up to date. And how have you got on?
Yeah, it was okay. It did everything that we would expect it to do.
Back to script.
Back to script, yeah. A little bit of a shame, to be fair, that he hadn't got a 4:1 manifold on it. I think we would have made around the 230 mark had he had a 4:1 manifold on. He doesn't. He has a standard manifold with a D-cat Toyo Sport pipe. Exhaust is good enough. The intake's certainly good enough. I just think that it was the standard manifold and that horrible D-cat pipe. To be fair, we've had a few instances with them before. I think the car made exactly the power that it should make based on those mods. We've made some good chunks in the mid-range, and we've made some top-end power, which is great. So I think he'll be happy with that generally. Should we have a quick graph?
Let's do it. Okay, so as we always say, red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves. You can see right across the rev range we've made power there. Lowered Vtec somewhat, extended the rev range, and we finish on 222 brake horsepower, all the ducts, and 183 at the wheels. So there she is. Who doesn't like a silver EP3? What a beautiful car. Yes, so anyway, for the code word, we're going to go with anti-gravity. If you've bothered to stick around to the end of this video, because that was 8 minutes of your life, you're never getting back. But yeah, thank you for watching. Stick around to the end of the video, guys. Please do like, share, and subscribe and all that. It really, really helps us, and we really appreciate it. So thanks, YouTube. Thanks, everyone. And we'll see you on the next one. Peace out.
I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. You don't stop and look around once in a while, you could miss it.